Hi to all our followers on YouTube. Not very many. Wish we had more. But anyway, still putting out the videos. One of the benefits of a truck camper is being able to just jack it up a couple inches and drive off. Go into town or go hiking or exploring. And we're lucky. We're in an area where there's lots to do. So we're just at Kakabeka Falls Provincial Park near Thunder Bay, Ontario. I'll show you basically how we take the camper off using an 18-volt DeWalt drill. Works well. We don't have electric jacks. They're manual. But instead of cranking, we just use the DeWalt drill and it works well. So I'll show you how we do it. So basically, we're just using a DeWalt 18-volt rechargeable drill. Has this little attachment, goes on your jack. You crank it up a bit, and you do that a little bit each corner. Don't go lots. Don't side load your jacks because you can tear them right off the camper. I worked for the railway and we jacked cars to change wheels, and keeping it level is very important. Like I say, you don't want to side load the jack, so we'll just go around, keep going around until we're about 2 inches off the bed of the truck. Drive away because everything is disconnected. Your high downs are disconnected. Water lines are separate from the truck. Electrical cord is separate from the truck. So it's just a matter of jacking it up and driving off. So I'll show you how to do that. Basically, as you're backing up, you see the jacks there. I try and space the outer fender evenly on both sides. And then if you look in the mirror, I don't know if you can see, no, my camera's in the way, but I line up the center of the slider on the camper with the slider on the truck. And that's it. It's very easy. As you can see, fairly simple, and we managed to do a bit of sightseeing, checked out some areas. So yeah, you don't have to be stuck at your campground. You could take off. The other thing I mark, basically, I got a line on the tailgate. And look at that, they line up almost perfect. Just so you know it's centered. But I've done this probably 200-300 times, so pretty easy. Once you've done it a few times, you kind of get the hang of it. You know, you don't have to be stuck in a campground. You can just lift her up 2 inches and drive away. So anyway, hope that gives you a few ideas. But like I say, the best one right here, get yourself some levels. Follow your seam if you have one, straight edge. And like I showed you, got the one on the side. And you'll always be level when you're jacking up or coming down. She's on level. It's got to be, oh my God, 95. It's 33 Celsius, plus probably 100% humidity. It's hot. And guess what? No wind. Zero. Just sticky hot. Crank on the fan because we don't have air, because normally where we are, you don't need air conditioning, but the odd day you get heat like today, and just not used to it. Oh, look it. We picked some Saskatoons. They're similar to blueberries. Real juicy, real sweet. That's just a bonus. Apparently nice. The city of Thunder Bay broke a record today for the hottest day in the city of Thunder Bay with the humidex. I'm telling you, it's hot. Okay, we're gonna cool off.
Oh, God. Whoa.
Just went to the water tap. Put some cold water on your head.
My head's warm now.
Feels good though, eh?
Yeah.